Do you know that with your middle finger, you can use it to bless your family? Do you know that with your middle finger, you can turn every negativity around your life to become possibility? Do you know that you can use your middle finger to manifest everything good around your life? You can use it to bless your children, to bless your life, and to bless your husband. The 5 fingers has their spiritual benefit. They has their 5 spiritual benefits, but the middle finger is a blessing. The middle finger is a blessing. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to use your middle finger as a blessing to your life. Kindly follow us on our Facebook page, Lucy Empire, and on YouTube, Lucy Family TV. Let's take, for example, someone promised you something. They promise you a car, for example, and they have not fulfilled it. All you need to do, get the picture of that person. When you get the picture of that person, you take the middle finger, your right middle finger, you place it on the picture. You place it on the forehead of that picture, the forehead of that person, the picture. You call his or her name 3 times and said, "You promised me a car. You have not fulfilled it. You need to fulfill it. You need to fulfill it. You promised me a phone. You have not fulfilled it. You need to fulfill it." Or if you don't have the picture of that person, get the contact of that person. When you get the contact of that person, you take your middle finger, you place it on that contact. Call his or her name 3 times. When you call his or her name 3 times, you speak whatever the person have promised you and the person have not fulfilled. You speak into it saying, "You promised me a house and you have not fulfilled it. Fulfill it right now. Fulfill it. Fulfill it. Fulfill it." Or, for example, there are many ways to use your middle finger as a blessing. There are many ways to use your middle finger. Or, for example, things are not going well for you. Things are not moving well for you. When you wake up in the morning, you take your right middle finger, you place it on your forehead. Your right middle finger, you place it on your forehead and speak everything possibility into your life. Speak good things into your life, saying, "As I'm going out this morning, when I'm coming in, I'm stepping in with divine grace. I'm stepping in with divine favor. I'm coming back with a testimony. I'm coming back with a smile." Speak everything possibility into your life. Everything good, speak it into your life with your middle finger, with your right middle finger, not your left. Not your left, your right middle finger. Or, for example, you as a mother, your children are not moving forward. Your children are not excelling the way you want them to excel. Where your children is right now is not where they are supposed to be. They are supposed to be in a greater position. They are supposed to be ahead of where they are right now. All you need to do, if your children are not with you, you get your children's picture. When you get your children's picture, you take your middle finger, you place it on their forehead. You place it on their forehead. Or if your children are with you, you place your finger, your right middle finger, on their forehead. You speak good things into their life. You speak good things into that picture. If the picture is with you, you speak good things into the picture. If they are with you, you speak good things into their life by placing your hand, your middle finger, on their forehead. Or better still, you can as well take your middle finger and place it in your navel. In your navel. We all know, as a mother, we all know that what connects us with our children is our navel. What connects us with our children is our navel. You can as well place your middle finger on your navel and begin to bless your children. Bless your children. Speak good things into your children's life, and you see how things will begin to manifest in your children's life, and you will see how it will begin to work like magic. Or let's take, for example, you as a woman. This one I'm about to say is for women only. It's for women. If you get married and you notice that your husband's family, there is something negativity around. There is a generational negativity surrounding that family, and you don't want your children to be a partaker of that negativity. You don't want your children to inherit that negativity. You find out that there is a negativity surrounding every first child of that house, or all the old members of that house. You don't want your children to be a partaker of that negativity. All you need to do, you get an original honey. Get original honey. Original honey, a very pure original honey. When you get that original honey, you take sand. You take sand, you perform this in the middle of the night at 12 a.m. 12 a.m. in the night. You perform this. You take sand. If you know you can go outside to do it, it will be better. But if you know you cannot go outside, in order to avoid people talking about saying you are doing some kind of ritual, if you don't want people to talk, or if you don't want people to talk, you take sand, you take it inside, place it on the floor. Let your children step on that sand. Let them stand on that sand. When they stand on the sand, you take your middle finger, you place it, you use it to touch the honey. When you use it to touch the honey, place it on their head, the center of their head, just as I'm touching my own. You place it on their head like this and begin to say, measure that negativity in that family, in that your husband family. Measure that negativity you don't want your children to take. You measure it. You negativity of setback, you negativity of rising and falling in your father's family. My children, you call your children's name 4 times. Call your children's name 4 times. That 4 times represents the four corners of this world: the north, the south, the east, and the west. That 4 times represent it. So you call your children's name 4 times by placing the honey in their head. When you place the honey in their head, call their name 4 times. Then you prophesy good things, saying that you negativity of setback, you cannot come close to my children. You negativity of rising and falling, you negativity of poverty, you cannot come close to my children. After you have mentioned your children's name 4 times, after you might have mentioned your children's name 4 times, after mentioning your children's name 4 times, that is what you will do. Or let's say, for example, your business is not going well. Your business, as a businesswoman, your business is not going well. All you need to do, go to your place of work, go to your business, get that item, get one item you are selling, get one item. You place your middle finger on that item. When you place your middle finger on that item, you begin to prophesy on that item, saying, you are not supposed to be here by now. I bought you with money. By now, you are supposed to leave my store. So therefore, you need to leave my store so that I can purchase new thing. You need to go out of my store so that I can purchase new thing. You speak into that item. Measure the name of your store 3 times. Measure the name of your business 3 times and speak into that item you are holding. If you have a child that is very stubborn, or your child does something that you don't like, has some kind of bad character that you don't like, let's say, for example, stealing, lying. If your child has some kind of bad character, some kind of bad behavior that you don't like, all you need to do, when your child is sleeping, you take your middle finger, you place it on their forehead when they are sleeping. If your child is stubborn, or your child has some kind of bad character that you don't like in their life, you place your right middle finger on their forehead when they are sleeping and begin to speak that negativity in their life to get out from their life. You negativity of stubbornness, get out from my son's life. You negativity of lying, get out from his life. You negativity of stealing, get out from his life. Do this for 21 days. 21 days when they are sleeping. 21 days, and you will see how things will begin to manifest in your life. You will see how things will begin to change. You will see how everything will begin to move from glory to glory. Do this. This is not a ritual. Do this, put this into practice, and it will work like magic. And you will come back and testify. You will definitely testify that it works. You will definitely testify that it works. Your right middle finger is a blessing. You can also use your middle finger to bless your husband. Let's, for example, your husband, things is not going well for your husband. Things is not moving well for him. All you need to do, you take your middle finger, you place it on his forehead and prophesy upon his life. Speak good things into the life of your husband, saying, as you are going, you will go and come back with a good news. You will go and come back with a testimony. Speak whatever good thing you know you want to speak into the life of your husband. You as a man, You can as well do this. You can do this for yourself. You can do this for your family. You can as well do this. This does not signify you are a Christian or a Muslim, whatever religion you are, whatever you believe on, you can do this. Do this with faith and you will come back with a testimony. Thank you all for watching. God bless you.